Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today is a special video. We are doing a review of liner brushes, dotting tools and flower tools which are sent to me by Anu's Craft Corner. So here we have these very awesome set of 5 liner brushes. Then these are some really good dotting tools having these sparkly things inside them. And then we have these new designs of stamps, which we use in our dot mandalas. So we have some new patterns over here. And lastly, we have this lotus stamp, which is really good for our mandalas, right? You know how difficult it is to draw the lotuses. So with this stamp, it is going to get really easy. So today, instead of doing each stamp on paper one by one, what I will do is I will make a whole mandala on a board by using all of these tools one by one. So before we start, I will quickly show you these liner brushes. They are very fine. So when you want to do very small strokes in your board, these are the brushes you should use. You can see how fine and long this one is. This is the longest one in this set. And see, the thing I like about this set is that they all have caps. So due to these caps, what happens is when we store it, when we don't need and we store it somewhere, the bristles stay safe and any damage is prevented that way. This is the second one. You can see how fine it is, just like a fine liner. So these can be used for very short strokes where we need the effect of brush strokes but we cannot use dotting tools. In those areas, these brushes are going to be very helpful. There is this third one which is of medium length. You can see how fine it is. Then there is this fourth one which I can say is a little bit longer than the previous one. And then there's this last one. So there are these amazing fine brushes in 5 length options. So let's start the mandala now. In the center, I'm placing a big dot. This color is lavender purple. Next, around these circles, I will be doing C strokes using this liner brush. Dip whole brush in the color and then you need to start the strokes. Hold it just like a pen. The thick body of this brush makes it really easy to hold it. See how easy it is to do the brush strokes. Next, I will do more brush strokes with a slightly bigger size than the previous one around this dome here. Next, I will be using this leaf-like stamp in between two domes. So when you are going to use any of these flower stamps, you have to use a flat dish like this or any flat palette, and in this you will evenly lay color on one side and then use the stamp. If there's too much color of the on the stamp, the shapes will not come out well. Next, we will do a pink lotus on top of the dome in this area. So even in this lotus, you get two sizes. One is small and one is big. So it is good. You have options to select. At some places in those bigger shapes, if you get less of the color over there, we can add some more with a paintbrush and correct the shapes. In this space that we have here, we can add either these flowers, right? They come in various like 6 sizes, as you can see, 3 at the back and 3 at the front. All of them are different sizes. Or we can also add this pyramid shaped petals, right? A pyramid shape on the outside and then petals inside. 2 sizes in this also. So let's do this one. So we will start this at the edge of the board upside down. You can see how quickly we have filled up this board using the flower dotting tools. So this whole mandala was made using all of these amazing dotting tools and also these sparkling dotting tools that were sent. So if you want to buy all of these products, be it the flower stamps, the liner brushes, or these dotting tools, the link of the website is available in the description of the video, which is anuscraftcorner.com, and also I have mentioned her contact in the description, so you can go over there and get your tools. So thank you everyone for watching till the end. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.